Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. It's Wednesday the 14th of January. Thanks again for watching. This is your look ahead. Well, as our long range forecast back in December said, we've got to watch the period the 13th to 14th for a hit of cold weather, for a short hit of cold weather before it got milder again. What's happened? It's here. And then we said that after the 20th, 21st and 22nd we needed to watch for a second hit of probably more significant colder weather, and that's what's showing up at the moment on the chart. So interesting times ahead. It's not to blow my own trumpet, it's just that I know that there will be times when I'm wrong, and I'll be happy enough to confess when I'm wrong as well. Well, I won't be happy, but you know what I mean. So why not blow the trumpet while we can? Anyway, ECMWF and GFS 10 days looking like this. This is the mean of the 10-day at 500 millibar flow. What's interesting here is both of them look digging in this trough across the eastern parts of the states, and what that does is it builds the ridge here in the Atlantic, which strengthens the north and northwesterly flow down through Europe, puts us a cut-off low down here, and drags in cold air across the UK. So this is the means from next Saturday. Sorry, no, it's not. It's the means from next Wednesday through to Saturday the 24th. And you can see exactly what's going on there with these ridges building and the trough developing. So certainly pointing towards cooler weather on those charts. The GFS upgrade, this is the quarter degree GFS looking like this. There's tonight's area of low pressure look coming into the western parts of Scotland, moves eastwards, severe gales overnight tonight, and then we've got that severe area of wind look down towards the southern parts of Scotland, through Ireland and through northern England as well. And if I just skip forwards to the 29th, that's how the pattern is looking according to the GFS. At the end of its period, so the 29th, still quite a cold pattern showing up on that. Looking like this as far as the 500 millibar heights are concerned. Jet stream blowing through here just at the moment. That's the jet stream as of today. You'll notice that what happens is that jet stream just buckles off, look, as we head into the weekend and then into next week. We get this cold northerly flow look, and what that does is it then sets up the cold pool to develop and the big trough to be developing across Europe, and that really gets going into next week. Look, here it is, this cold pool here pushing its way south. So we've got to be thinking in terms of proper taste of winter potentially during next week. This is how the ECMWF sees it at 8:50. Dates across the bottom there. You see this brief warming up process going on today, and then look, just falling off. So we're down here below sort of -6s in London. Gets cooler as you head further north. So this hit of colder weather looks to be on the cards. Arctic oscillation looking like this. This is from the CFS. It actually goes forward to April, but it's this particular section here that we're interested in. Look, what the CFS tries to do is bounce around with a neutral to negative oscillation up to here. So it does it up to the 22nd of January, then look, pulls it into negative territory beyond that. So this is when the winds rotating around the pole are weakened. It allows cold air to drift southwards from the pole, so it's showing there the possibility of that happening. And if we look at the NAO, so this is the North Atlantic Oscillation of the same period, it's after here that we're interested in. Look, it tends to keep it in negative to positive territory, and what that's indicating is that the flow is still coming in for the west and the northwest. So add that in with that negative Arctic oscillation, and it points towards a cold west to northwesterly flow, which would bring bands of sleet and snow with it, passing through the country as fronts. Now, others suggest that high pressure will try and build across Scandinavia and across Europe. I have to say, I've got a question mark over that at the moment. I'm not entirely sure how this one is going to pan out, apart from it being a cold pattern. What I think could happen is that we get the cut-off low getting down into the Mediterranean. That brings in an east and northeasterly, drags the cold air westwards across Europe, but we always kind of get hit time and time again with some west and northwesterly flows. They drag in low pressure down through the country. It's those that then drag in the cold air around the back of it on that easterly, and it's those that then produce the risk of sleet and snow. Need to be watching particularly next Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. At the moment, got it down at a 20 to 30% risk, but I certainly think the chance is there of some significant snowfall. Of course, I'll keep you updated throughout here at weatherweb.net. But for now, whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.